Hi class. Okay, welcome to homework task 2. The first one is the one that you have to send. We have 2 questions over there and followed by this work. Now this is what you need to do. If the question, like number 9, you have 9 over 25 cert. So this one means cert 9 over cert 25, which also means cert 3 times 3, because 3 times 3 is 9 over 5 times 5. So, alright, square root. Alright, now, this one is also equals to set 3 times set 3 over set 5 times set 5. Set 3 times set 3 is 3. Same goes to this one. 5 times set 5 times set 5. This will give you only 5. Alright. Now, this is only it. It's quite simple and easy. Now, I want you to try to do the next question. But before you do this, number 12 and 14, this is try and send. Alright. So before you do number 12 and 14, I'd like to show you how you can answer the question if it's contain numbers in mixed fraction. Now, if you have numbers in mixed fraction, what you need to do is change these numbers into improper fraction. Mixed numbers. This is the tips. You need to change it into improper fraction before you can answer the question. Now, 16 multiplied by 3 is 48 plus 1, thus you'll get 49 over whatever we have here as a denominator, which is 16. Write them down back here and then write down set. So this is actually the question you are looking at. Alright, set 49, as I mentioned before, means set 49 over set 16 respectively. Now I'm going to drag this here. Set 49s mean 7 multiplied by 7. Set over 4 multiplied by 4 set. The 7 multiplied by 7 also means 7 multiply, open them and then separate them, and you will see set 7 multiplied by set 7 over set 4 multiplied by set 4. Thus, set 7 multiplied by set 7 is actually 7. Set 4 multiplied by set 4 is 4. Now we have the answers as 7 over 4, which is this is your final answer, but you can make them look even better by having to change them back into mixed numbers. And 4 here, 4 multiplied by how many, so that you'll get 7 or nearest to 7, 1, and then plus 3. There you go. So based on question 11 and 13, please try number 12 here, number 14. You can pause the recording and try and start to copy the question nicely, and then write it down on your book, put maybe a little bit section on it, and then send it to me. Now the next one is, after you've done that, I'm going to show you examples on how you can answer question number 16. So the same thing we have here is just that this is square root of 3 or cube root. Alright, this is cube root of negative 3 over 8. Alright, now as I mentioned before, we need to change this number into improper fraction. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24 plus 327 over 8 itself. So don't forget the negative sign. And then cube root of everything what we have here. The cube root means you have a number that has to be multiplied 3 times so that you will get 27. Okay, what times what times what so that you'll get 27 is, okay, negative I'm going to put here, and then 3 multiplied by 3 multiply again by 3. Thus this is actually 27 over, this is square root, over 8. Okay, what times what times what equals to 8 is 2 times 2, 4 times again with 2, you'll get 8. And this is cube root. So this is, okay, thus I'm going to drag it again here. Okay, yeah. Thus this one will give you negative, don't forget the negative, and then cube root of 3 multiply by 3 multiply again by 3 is 3 over, this one is 2. So your final answer is negative 3 over 2. As simple as that. Alright, now you may try to do question number 17 and also question number 18. Okay, we have here, so I like you to try and send it to me. Copy number of the questions and then the question itself, and then you can write down the answers. All right, if it's a bit confusing on how you can answer the question, please refer back to the table for square root, cube root, and also to the power of any numbers. So we have that table in our WhatsApp groups, so please do refer on that table in order for you to get to answer all of this homework. Okay, so try that one first. Once you've done it, please write down nicely, okay, numbers, like for example you have 17, circle it, and then write down the question nice and easy, like negative 27 over 64, like that. And then what is the answer be like, and then write it down here, blah 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 blah, and then send it to me. Okay, that is what I want you to do. Okay, so please send it to me ASAP once you've done it. I'm gonna share with you part number 3 next week. Thank you. Have a nice holiday. Goodbye, class.